up with tradition to start with one piece and built an engine up till it runs, then you would expect it to start on the first turn. That's the goal. But in this case, I actually started with one piece. But what you see here is two pieces already. It has a thread insert in there. All the pins, bolts, threads, everything, it's one piece. Put a sleeve in here. We'll put that cylinder sleeve in here. And I've done already cleaned this very good. War brush, you know, with the little scraper and all that. And then back there in the back, up in there, there's that ring up in there. And well, it's very clean. It already is. Yonder there's the O-ring. And in the book, if you're reading in that international, that McCormick-Deering book, it says to put you some axle grease in there and put this in there and slide that sleeve in there and you're good to go. But I don't wear suspenders, but this is that suspenders and belt situation that I would put some silicone in that groove. Now it's just the way I do it and the reasoning behind it. But I'm going to take this silicone, that's that Ultra Black right there, Permatex. That's at 82180. So I'm going to fill that groove up in there. That O-ring, where that O-ring was at there, I'm going to fill it up with this. It's got some instructions on the back. There's a possibility they would send me some of it. I believe that's the thing on the internet now. I think if you talk about a product, then you know a few days later here comes a whole dozen cans of it. You know, so Permatex. You know, so. Okay, and then I embed this O-ring in that RTV. You know, that ain't gonna leak. We're gonna tap in there. Make sure. There's a little debris in there, I doubt. Everything will be alright. But this cylinder sleeve right here is the one that I brazed. The corner was broken off when it, I don't know how it happened. It came that way with that corner broken off. It's in another video. But I've got it primed there just out of habit, I guess. But right there where that O-ring goes, it's bare metal. So let's put it on in there. I felt it go in there then. Let's look at it. And this long pipe is Okay, that pipe started down in that oil hole. So, and the reason for that, and this thing right here, y'all have seen me use this before on some videos, but it makes it real easy to pull that. You want to watch your flange around there that it's not caught on anything, and just watching that oil pipe also back there.